everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Namrata and today in this video I am going to tell you my honest review about Mamaearth products. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that it might happen that the product which worked for me might not work for you. I have combination skin, so the product which worked for my skin type might not work for, say, dry skin type. So all the products which I am going to show you are bought by my own money. So the review will be genuine, what I feel for the product. So if I don't like the product, I will say it out and loud. So with that, let's get started with today's video. So I have categorized this video into two parts. First is the skincare and second is the hair care. So I am going to start with the skincare products. So the first product which I'm going to show you is this charcoal face wash. I love this product. I genuinely feel the difference after using this product. So this has activated charcoal and coffee and it says that it is for oil control. So I have oily skin near my T-zone and I think it really works for that. It also reduces my acne to an extent. So the formula is very liquidy, as you can see. It retails for 249 rupees for 100 ml product, but I genuinely feel the difference and I use it every day and I absolutely love it. So when I use this charcoal face wash, I genuinely like the result and I wanted to try out different face wash from Mamaearth. I got this face wash. This is Ubtan face wash with turmeric and saffron. This is a freebie product which I got with rest of the products and it says that it is for tan removal. I would say that this product works, but the problem is that the face wash has scrubby granules in it. Especially if you have a sensitive skin, it can feel harsh. And the first time when I applied it, I was like, it doesn't feel like a face wash, and I feel that now my skin is habitual and I don't feel that the granules are big. But yes, for the first time I felt like I am scrubbing my face and not using a face wash, which might be a little uncomfortable, but yes, it helps in brightening the skin. It really cleans your face. So I like this product, but the scrubby granules, I don't like it. I feel like it would be harsh for the skin to use it regularly. So I use it when I am applying makeup and I want to remove the makeup. So the third product which I want to talk about is Bye Bye Dark Circles eye cream. So I don't have dark circles as much, but I think this is the right age to apply eye cream. I think it is extremely important that before you see dark circles on your face, you should start applying an eye cream. So this cream is very light. It absorbs nicely, but it takes its own time to absorb into the skin. It definitely moisturizes the under eye part. Also, I have read reviews on Nykaa about this product and I have read that it doesn't suit everyone. Some people's skin get itchy while applying this cream. I think this night cream works, but it takes time. You can't expect good result with like one use. You have to regularly apply it. This is a bit expensive though. I think it retails for 400 or 500 for this much tube. I will link down everything in the description box if you want to check it out. But a pea size would be enough for both of your eyes. So I have used it, I think, from 1 month now, and you can see that I have still so much left in the tube. So the next product which I want to talk about is Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. It has mulberry extract and vitamin C. So I actually got this for my mother, but she stopped using it. Then I thought that I would give it a try. Firstly, I think for 449 this bottle is quite small. This is a non-greasy cream. It moisturizes your skin like every face cream does. But the main point of getting this product is it says that this cream is for uneven skin tone. It helps in reducing blemishes, but I don't see it. I genuinely didn't see any difference in my skin whatsoever. I am applying this cream for around 2 or 3 weeks now and I don't see any difference. Like I think it is a good moisturizer, but I got this especially so that it can help in reduction of blemishes, but I don't see it. I don't think that it's worth it to get this small bottle for 450 rupees. I think you will get more better options in the market for this price range. So the next product is Ubtan Face scrub. It has again turmeric and walnut, and it says that it is for tan removal. I absolutely love this product. I think the Upton range of Mamaearth is really nice, but again the problem I feel is the scrubby granules are quite big for my taste. I don't have a sensitive skin, still I feel that the granules are quite harsh on my skin. So for sensitive people this might be a huge problem. But talking about result, it exfoliates really nice, it removes your dead skin nicely. So yeah, if you don't have any problem with the little huge particles, then I think it's a great face wash. I would definitely repurchase it. I think now my skin is kind of used to with this face scrub, and yeah, this is a really nice face scrub. You should definitely try it. You will see the glow after using this scrub. I also have Upton face mask. This is one of my favorite face masks. I have used it quite a lot and still you can see बहुत सारा बचा है इसमें. So again it has saffron, turmeric, apricot oil, and it says that it helps in skin lightening and brightening. So you might feel a tingling effect after applying it, but it will be okay in few seconds. But I think this is a really good face mask. You should definitely give it a try. I think the quantity you get for 499 rupees is quite nice. So I will definitely repurchase this product. So talking about face mask, I have this vitamin C sleeping mask with vitamin C and aloe vera in it. I don't know what's up with this product. I don't feel any difference in my skin when I apply this product. I have used quite a lot. As you can see, it has gel consistency. It is kind of translucent. It has definitely a cooling effect on your skin. So this is my first sleeping mask. I have never used sleeping mask from any brand. I didn't see any result, guys. The texture is really good. It feels really nice when you apply it on your skin. It feels fresh, but other than that, it does nothing. I have applied it so many times. I used to apply it before sleeping, but when I wake up, I didn't see any difference. So I don't think so that this product is worth the purchase. So for 599 rupees, it does nothing. I don't see any difference, and I think it is wastage of my money. So I have another face mask to show you. This is C3 face mask with charcoal, coffee and clay. To be honest, this is a nice face mask, but I think Wow ka charcoal mask is better than this one. It removes the dirt from your face. It also has a cooling sensation, but I don't reach out for this face mask as often as I reach out for the Wow charcoal mask. I think Wow ka charcoal mask is better than this one, but this is a decent one, so you can try it. But if you don't like this product, then please try Wow ka charcoal mask. I think it works better. As you can see, I have completely used this product, and yeah, I think this is a decent product. Okay, so the last product in the skin range is Mamaearth ka aloe vera gel. It has pure aloe vera and vitamin E. I absolutely love this one. So first of all, talking about its smell, it reminds you of pure aloe vera, like natural aloe vera jo hota hai, and it is transparent, so that's good. I everyday use it before moisturizer. So if you have a dry skin, you can't replace it with the moisturizer, but again, this is a really nice aloe vera gel. You can also try Wow ka aloe vera gel. That's also really nice. I use it daily in the morning, and I think this is really helping me in reducing my scars. I have a lot of scars near my cheek area. So yeah, this is a really nice aloe vera gel, and I will definitely repurchase it. Okay, so these are all the products which I have for the skin range. Now talking about hair range, so I have 4 products to show you in the hair range. To start off, I have this onion hair oil. So it says that it is for hair fall control, and after applying this product, I genuinely feel that it really helps in reduction of hair fall. So if you have that problem, I think this product is really good. But if you're looking for an hair oil to reduce your frizziness or to provide nourishment to your scalp, I don't think so that this is a good choice. It definitely helps in reduction of hair fall, but I didn't feel any difference other than that. My hair was still frizzy, so I like an oil which can helps in reduction of frizziness and provide nourishment to scalp, and this oil definitely didn't fit in that category. But if you're looking for an oil which can help in reduction of your hair fall, then you can try this. I also have this hair oil to show you. This is Bhringraj Amla hair oil with Bhringraj and Amla in it. It says that it is for intense hair treatment, so I think that's why I really like it, because I prefer oil which can provide nourishment to my hair. But the one thing which has to be noticed about this oil is that it has a really strong smell. When you're applying it on your hair, it can affect you. So yeah, definitely you have to make sure that you are okay with the smell it has, because the fragrance of this oil, it is very strong. But yeah, this oil makes my hair smooth. It helps in reduction of frizziness. Also, this oil comes with comb-like applicator, which I really like. I think this is a very unique idea. So my hair feels a lot more manageable when I apply this oil. So this oil is also composition of lot of good oils, and yeah, I will definitely repurchase it and I will definitely recommend it. I also have tried hair mask of Mamaearth. So this one is tea tree hair mask with tea tree, argan and lemon oil in it. So it says that it is for dandruff and itchy scalp. I think it really works for dandruff. So I don't face a lot of problems with dandruff, but sometimes in the monsoon season I feel the problem of dandruff, and then I got this one. So if you want to reduce your dandruff, I think it is a really good hair mask. I have applied it so many times and I feel that my dandruff has completely gone after using it, though I don't have a major issue of dandruff. So I don't know how it will work if you have a lot of dandruff. I have read reviews on the Nykaa about this one, and a lot of people says that it does reduce your dandruff for 2-3 days, but then again it comes back. But I didn't face this problem, maybe because I didn't have lot of dandruff. I also like the packaging of Mamaearth. It directly didn't open. इसके बाद भी एक lid होता है, and you can see I have used most of the product. This also claims that it moisturizes scalp, but I didn't feel it. So if you are looking for reduction in dandruff, then think about getting this one. Otherwise, I have a better option. This is Argan hair mask. This is again a freebie which I got, but this retails for 99 rupees and it has 25 grams of product in it. I am giving my review only after using it for one time, because ये पूरा खाली हो गया था, एक ही बार लगा पाई मैं अपने बालों में. But I am definitely going to purchase a bigger tub of this hair mask. So this has argan oil, avocado oil and milk protein in it. So this product is for frizz free and strong hair. So if you are looking for that, then I think this is a better option. But if you are looking for dandruff reduction, then the tea tree mask is a better option. I like this one because I always look out for products to reduce my frizziness. I can actually feel the difference after applying it, even for the one time. My hair was a lot more manageable, so the frizz was gone to a great extent. So yeah, this was my review, genuine review about Mamaearth products. What products worked for me and what didn't. So before signing off, I want to tell you guys 3 products which I absolutely love from Mamaearth and 2 products which I don't like at all. So first one is charcoal face wash. Absolutely love it. Please give it a try. Second is this Bhringraj hair oil. Absolutely love it. The fragrance is a problem, but now I am kind of used to it. And the third one is Upton face mask. Actually the whole Upton range, I really love it. Upton face wash, Upton scrub and Upton face mask. Though I feel Upton face wash is not necessary as it works like Upton face scrub. Anyway, Upton face mask is my absolute favorite, and these are the 3 products which I genuinely love. So now talking about 2 products which I don't like that much. The first one is Bye Bye Blemishes cream. I don't think so that it works. And the second one is this vitamin C sleeping mask. It didn't work, guys. It didn't work for me and I don't think that I will repurchase it. So yeah guys, this was my video. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments down below what products you have tried it and it worked for you or not. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I will see you soon.